Hello everyone, welcome to Hope Worldwide Make It Easy segment Academia. Today I thought I'll talk about a topic from education. So let's list out the aims of education. As we know that education is a process of bringing up an individual or exploring the innate qualities of an individual. It's according to Mahatma Gandhi that means every individual is already born with lots of abilities, right? So education is just a medium to explore those abilities or discover those innate abilities of the individual, right? So come to this education, you can correlate with this KSA. Already I have taught you in my last video what is KSA. This is about domains of education, okay? So education will always focus on comprehensive development of an individual. How do you say that it is comprehensive development? Because education is a process which emphasizes on three dimensions mainly, okay? So knowledge, skill and attitude, okay? The other term what we call for comprehensive is about what? Holistic development, okay? So holistic development is another term that we can use it for comprehensive development. Okay, so what do you mean by comprehensive development? So when you look at comprehensive development of the learner, it focuses on physical development, mental development, social development, moral development, cultural development and also spiritual development of the learner, right? So come to the aims of education. So the number one aim is individual aim. Once we get educated, do you think that we focus on individual aim? Right. Yes. So individual aim is ultimately related to personality development of an individual or cultivating belief system in an individual, right? So that's about individual aim. Okay, so I'll give you some examples. In individual aim is about the person would be able to become a productive member in the society, or the person or the learner would focus on his aims, ambitions, etc. Right? So that's about individual aim, and ultimately it brings a sense of satisfaction among all the learners. Right? Now come to the next one is what? Vocational aim. So vocational aim is ultimately related to job orientation. Education is, more often we think that if you want to get educated, yes, we have to focus on a career, or you have once you get educated, you start exploring your career options, right? And you explore what are the different job opportunities pertaining to the field what you have studied, right? So that's about vocational aim. It's about job orientation, okay? So job orientation or exploring career opportunities. Come to the third one is about social aim. What do you mean by social aim? Social aim is ultimately related to respecting social values or adopting pro-social behavior and becoming again a productive member, or contributing your citizenship for people or for the community, right? And in social aim, I would say that education makes the person to become more socialized and get adopted with the society and becoming a change agent in social reformation, right? So that's about social aim. So you can just remember here, it's like socialization. So education helps the learner to become more socialized and more productive in the society. Come to the other one is called moral aim. So moral aim is ultimately related to discovering moral values or adopting moral values and adopting belief system, right? And especially prohibiting antisocial behavior and doing much more good for people, yeah, adopting courteous behavior in the society, right? So all these are called as moral aim. So here you can give some examples of following ethical aspects or ethical behavior in the society, or following the ethics in the society, or you can say that it also even include transmission of culture, or transformation of belief system, or respecting the moral aspect in the society. So that would be called as moral aim. And coming to the fifth one is about cultural aim. So here I would associate with transcultural behavior. So once you are educated, or once we are educated, we try to respect the culture, we try to remodify the culture if it is really important, right? And also we know it's not about just ignoring the traditional values, right? Along with our education, we also learn to respect the traditional values or traditional system, etc. So this is about different aims that comes under education. So you don't forget this KSA. This is about the domains of learning: knowledge, skill and attitude, and it is ultimately related to your Bloom's taxonomy. So don't forget that. And this is about see, all these aims are contributing for comprehensive development or holistic development of the learner. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.